Welcome back, students. Now let us see how to factorize or find the factors of the polynomial 12x square plus 61x plus 77. So when you factorize this 61x 77, you will get the factors as 28x plus 33x, which will give you 61x. So here it will be 12x square plus 28x plus 33x plus 77. Make groups of 2. This is one group and this is the other group. Over here what you can take common is 4x. 4x take common. What you will get is 3x plus 7. In this bracket you will take 11 common. So you will get 3x plus 7. Now 3x plus 7 is a bracket which is common to both the terms. So here it will be 3x plus 7 into 4x plus 11. This is what are the factors of the given polynomial. Now let us see how to find the factors of the next polynomial. The next polynomial is 3y square minus 2y minus 1. So this you will write as 3y square minus 3y plus y minus 1. Make groups of 2 over here. So what you will get is, this will become 3y into y minus 1 plus 1 into y minus 1. So y minus 1 is common over here, common bracket y minus 1. So what will remain is this 3y plus 1. 3y plus 1 will remain. So y minus 1 into 3y plus 1, these are the factors of the given polynomial. I hope this is clear to you all. Now we solve the next sum, or the next polynomial given is root 3x square plus 4x plus root 3. Now let us see how to solve this sum. Root 3x square plus 4x plus 3. So this sum you will find, this will become root 3x square. It will become root 3x square plus 3x plus x. This 4x I have written as 3x plus x plus root 3. So it will become root 3x x. Take common here. This will become x plus root 3 plus 1 into x plus root 3. Now x plus root 3 is common to both the terms. So here you will write as x plus root 3 into root 3x plus 1. So these are the factors, x plus root 3 into root 3x plus 1. These are the factors of the given polynomial. Now let us see how to find the factors of the next polynomial. The next polynomial is 1 by 2x square minus 3x plus 4. Let us see how to solve this. Now this minus 3 I will write as minus 2 minus x. So it will be equal to 1 by 2x square minus 2x minus x plus 4. So it will become 1 by 2, x take common, x minus 4 minus 1 into x minus 4. So here it will become x minus 4 take common, and what will remain is this part 1 upon 2x minus 1. These are the factors of the given polynomial 1 by 2x square minus 3x plus 4. Now children, let us see how to solve question number 2, that is factorize the following polynomials. The given polynomials are to be factorized. Let us see how to factorize the given polynomials. Question number 2(1), that is first one, x square minus x the whole square minus 8 into x square minus x plus 12. Now you are substituting m for x square minus 1. Okay, so you will write m, this will become equal to m square minus 8m plus 12. Instead of this I have put the value m. So it will become m square minus 2m minus 6m plus 12. Minus 8m I have written as minus 2m minus 6m. So it will become m, take common, m minus 2 minus 6 into m minus 2. So m minus 2 will come in one bracket and this remaining m minus 6 will come in the other bracket. So here it will be, now you will resubstitute m as x square minus x. Wherever you see m, in place of m you put x square minus x. So this bracket will become m, instead of m I will write x square minus x minus 2 into your m in place of m, m square x square minus x minus 6. So here it will be x square minus 2x plus x into, here it will be x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6. So over here in this you take x common, what will remain is x minus 2 plus 1 into x minus 2. This is the first bracket. Now solve the second bracket. What you will get? X take common, so it will be x minus 3 plus 2 into, what will remain is x minus 3. So here you have, this will be equal to x minus 2 into x plus 1, x minus 3 into x plus 2. So this is the answer for the given polynomial. I hope it is clear to you all. Now let us solve the next sum. The next sum is x minus 5 the whole square minus 5x minus 25 minus 24. Let us see how to solve this sum. Now in order to solve this sum, we have to first find the factors. Now over here substituting m for x minus 5. Wherever you see x minus 5, in place of x minus 5 you will put the value as m. You will substitute it as m minus 5. So factorize this first. You will get, this will become equals to x minus 5 the whole square minus 5 into, this take 5 common here, so it will be x minus 5 minus 24. Now so it will become x minus 5 I will put as m. So m square minus m into 5 minus 24. Here I will write it as m square minus 8m plus 3m minus 24. So it will be m into m minus 8 plus 3 into m minus 8. So it is becoming m minus 8 into m plus 3. Now wherever you see m, in place of m, put back the value or resubstitute it. Put the value as x minus 5. So this will become x minus 5 minus 8 into x minus 5 plus 3. So here this will become x minus 13 into x minus 2. Now the next sum. Over here, let x square minus 6x be equal to m. So wherever x square minus 6x, you will put it as equal to m. So this will become m square minus 8 into m plus 8 minus 64. I have put instead of x minus 6x as m. So here it will become m square minus 8m minus 8 plus 8 will become minus 64 and this minus 64. So it will become m square minus 8m minus 128. So it will be, this I will factorize. So it will be m square minus 16m plus 8m minus 128. So it will be m into m minus 16 plus 8 into m minus 16. So here m minus 16 take common, m minus 16 into remaining is m plus 8. So m plus 8 remains over here. So now again in place of m you put the value x square minus 6x. Wherever there is m, put the value x square minus 6x. So this will become x square minus 6x minus 16 into x square minus 6x plus 8. So here it will be x square minus 8x plus 2x minus 16, the first bracket, and in the second bracket when you factorize it will become x square minus 4x minus 2x plus 8. Now over here you take common. So here if I take x common it will become x into x minus 8. Here 2 common, 2 into x minus 8. This will be the first bracket. In the next bracket again here x take common. So it will become x into x minus 4 minus 2 into x minus 4. Now, so it becomes, first bracket becomes x minus 8 into x plus 2 and the next bracket become x minus 4 into x minus 2. So overall it will become x minus 8 into x plus 2 into here this x minus 4 into x minus 2. So these are the factors of the given polynomial. Now the next sum, fourth sum, x square minus 2x plus 3 into x square minus 2x plus 5 minus 35. Let us see how to solve this sum. Sum number 4. Wherever there is x square minus 2x, you will put the value in place of x square minus 2x, you will put the value m. So this will become m plus 3 into m plus 5 minus 35. So it is equal to m into m plus 5 plus 3m plus 5 minus 35. So here it will be is equal to m square plus 5m, m square plus 5m plus 3m plus 15 minus 35. So it becomes equal to m square plus 8m minus 20. So when I open the factorize it, this will become m square plus 10m, m square plus 10m minus 2m minus 20. I have written the factors of 8m as 10m minus 2m. So this will become equal to m square, m into m plus 10 minus 2 into m plus 10. So it is equal to m plus 10 into m minus 2. So this will be equal to, again you resubstitute the value of m, that is x square minus 2x plus 10 into x square minus 2x minus 2. So these are the factors of the given polynomial. Thank you, students.